Hello guys, Mehul here back in with another new video. So I have featured JS info, yeah, or JavaScript info, whatever. Let me check the site. Yeah, JavaScript info, the JavaScript info site before, and that is most probably the best ever documented way to learn JavaScript, and I am following it. Obviously, I love this site, and I don't think anyone could ever had like better site than this for learning JavaScript only. Now today I have something not too much similar but similar, like you can say this is a quick overview of the whole site. Okay, not the whole site. This is obviously made by totally different person and totally differ from for a different site, but you can actually get the overview of like all of the things that you're gonna learn over here, and all of the things are mentioned over here properly in like best manner ever. Okay, so you can get that as well. So let's just see what we have today. And if you are not following JavaScript info, I will obviously hook the video again in the description. Please watch it, or please use JavaScript info because that's a great site. If you want to learn JavaScript, use that site. That's it. Okay, so with that saying, let me just show you our today's site. Let's roll the intro. So here is our today's site, that is your JavaScript knowledge map. So it's basically obviously a knowledge map for your JavaScript. Like it has everything in it. As I can see, it has classes, DOMs, functions, miscellaneous, modules, numbers, objects, promises as well. As you can see, promises, strings, syntax, variables, fetch APIs, arrays, like all of the things. Okay, and it has inheritance as well. So really great kind of thing, I would say, that they have made over here. But this is related to some other site, that is learn javascript dot online. Okay, and if you actually click on any one of them, it will show you that it is covered in chapter 27, but you can't click it from here, so that is not possible. But you can find those course out over here. But this course is actually paid for the like for yeah, for more than advanced function, like from objects, it's this course is paid. So I don't know about it, but I will be still using JavaScript info to learn all of the things because I love that too much. And but it's a great thing to have all of it like stuck into your wall and know what works for what and what. Okay, so most probably I will just print it out to be honest. Take a screenshot of the whole website and print it out, because printing is not working over here. If you wanna click Control P, see, printing is actually not working over here. Yeah, it's not showing me all of those text actually, because I don't know why that's not coming over here. Oh, actually it may be showing, but just because this site is in dark mode, it's not showing over here. That could be the problem. Yeah, that could be the problem. I don't know. Yeah, that may be the problem. So if I can like manage that problem, I think I would be able to print it as well. But I don't know. Whatever. I love this site. This is a like great quick overview to have. Like this will be a better thing if you have it as a poster, because that makes a lot of sense. And I don't know why they have made it as PWA as well. Like yeah, that's great to have, but not useful, I would say. Not for this, because this is a huge map, huge like knowledge map on node or graph, whatever you want to say, or tree. Yeah, tree, we can call it a tree because it's not having any loop. Yeah, we can call it a tree as well. So that's it about this site, that's it about this video, and let me know if it's helpful for you or not. And if you know about some of the great websites or resources like this, please let me know about all of them in the comment section below, so I can feature them in my future videos as well. And if you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to this channel. So that's it. Bye for now. Good night.